Two big names in life insurance go head-to-head. One big question: which one is the smarter choice for you? On the left, the century-old Guardian Life with its strong tradition and reputation. And on the right, the modern, digital-first Ladder Life bringing a fresh approach to coverage. Let's skip the buzzwords and confusing fine print and get straight to what matters. Each category gets real points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the lead. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, so here's our game plan. We'll look at financial strength, how easy the application process is, coverage options, digital experience, and who each is really best for. Ready? Let's go category by category. First up, financial strength. Guardian Life, honestly, this is the OG, over 160 years in the game and holding that A++ rating by AM Best. That's like the valedictorian of financial stability. Sure, some of their processes feel a little, 1995, but you know your money's safe. Now, Ladder Life says, hey, we're backed by top-notch carriers like Fidelity and Allianz. But the catch is, Ladder itself isn't rated, it's riding on its partner's credibility. So for sheer stability, Guardian just has that old-school muscle. Winner goes to Guardian here. Next, let's talk application process. With Guardian, it's like bring your pen, get ready for some forms, and probably roll up your sleeve for a medical exam. The plus side, you get an agent holding your hand, sometimes literally. But it's kind of a marathon. Now flip to Ladder, everything's digital. No paper cuts, no waiting rooms, and if you're fairly healthy, up to $3 million in coverage could be yours without anyone poking you with a needle. Fast, easy, and honestly, for most people, pretty stress-free. If you crave human guidance, you might miss out, but for convenience, Ladder definitely wins this round. Third category, coverage options. Guardian again is like the Swiss Army knife. Term, whole, universal life, disability insurance, all the types and all the bells and whistles. Need a fancy writer? They probably got it. The trade-off is, term coverage here can definitely cost more than what those snazzy digital startups offer. On the other side, Ladder keeps it simple, just term life. Need something permanent or want an extra benefit tacked on? Not happening here. You can tweak your term policy online, but that's about it. So if you want flexibility and customization, Guardian totally takes this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the first life insurance policy in the US was issued way back in 1761? I mean, who would have thought? Now, digital experience, and this one's honestly a night and day difference. Guardian's digital stuff is improving. There's a portal, there's online support, but most things still mean calling or emailing someone, which can be a bit of a drag. Ladder, this is basically what you'd expect in 2024. Apply, buy, and manage your policy online, even from your phone. No muss, no fuss. It's not the place for face-to-face reassurance, but the ease of use is just awesome. Ladder wins here hands down. And now, who are these even for? Guardian is your classic pick if you want higher coverage, permanent insurance, or if financial security and loads of customization are non-negotiable. It's not super friendly if you want to just get in and out, tech style. Ladder, perfect if you're a healthy adult in your prime years, want term life only, and love the whole online lifestyle. But heads up, no customization or cool add-on riders. Honestly, both serve pretty different crowds, so we're giving this one a tie. Alright, quick breather, let's look at where each one shines and where they kinda trip up so you can see the trade-offs at a glance. So, here's my honest take. Guardian is perfect for anyone who wants that tried and true stability, loads of insurance options, and doesn't mind a bit of extra paperwork for max peace of mind. But if you're someone who wants everything online, quick, no hassle, and you just need term life, Ladder is kind of a dream come true. If this helped make things clearer, be sure to hit subscribe for more straight-up, expert insurance and finance comparisons coming your way soon.